Hi guys. So we are at the famous White Temple, or it's called the Wat Rang Khun. It was built in 1997 and it's just about 15 minutes by car from Chiang Rai. So this is probably one of the most popular things to see in Chiang Rai, and that's why they're full of tourist bus and a lot of Chinese people, which is why we have our mask, because the virus is pretty popular right now. So we're scared. So we're wearing the mask, and a lot of people are. But yeah, it's really neat and particular in Thailand because I think this is the most recent built temple, and but it still attracts a lot of visitors, even though it doesn't have much of a history. It's beautiful, especially in the sunlight, because there's so much silver that it's glistening. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but I've never seen anything like it. Inside the White Temple, and it is really neat because it ties in modern art with Buddhism. So on the back of the wall there's this pretty beautiful painting of Buddha, and it symbolizes, you know, peace, light, clarity, and on the back is this demon, and below it is all these modern things in the picture, such as Yoda, Avatar, the Terminator. There's even the World Trade Center, you know, the Twin Towers, what happened. And it can confuse the person looking at it, but the overall message is that people are wicked. So inside this temple, it brings together the difference between peace and Buddhism and light and the evil of humans and what we've done here. So if you do come to Chiang Rai, come to this temple. It's a unique experience and you won't see anything like it. The next place we're going to is a waterfall. It's called Khun Waterfall, and it's just 19 kilometers north of here. So today's lunch. We'll be here.
Let's go.